What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend SPX6900. We're not trading this one. We're just believing in something. However, we are in trades for Giga, Ethereum. Ethereum hit our TP1. Giga is already in profit. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, just hang around to the end of the video. There is no catch. We're sitting at $1.51. We're up almost 5% at the end of the day. In the last 24 hours at the end of the day. Market cap 1.4 billion. Let me check my mic, make sure everything's okay. 24-hour volume 87 million. So we started to break out. We broke the bullish level, which means we can push up in a wave 3, which is at 205. If I zoom in for you guys, you can see nice ABC correction into the 2, and now you have a wave 1 to the upside. That's a wave 2 pullback. Then you push up 3, 4, 5, up to either $1.88 or the 161.8, which is the normal target for a wave 3 at 205. Excuse me. As we talked about in the previous video, this inverse head and shoulders has started to break out. We saw this massive inverse head and shoulders hit the target. So now we've broken out of a smaller inverse head and shoulders, which can take us right up. Excuse me, sorry, to about $2.29. And of course, we have our wave 3 target at $2.05, very, very close. I am looking for at least $50 a coin in this bull run. That is my prediction. It could definitely go much higher with the amount of interest through MURAD, through Twitter, through everywhere, all social platforms now. Yeah, bullish cross way back here. As you can see, when you create the bullish cross, that's when you start the uptrend. Beautiful to see it. Worst case scenario, we come all the way back down, but I highly doubt it, and we break the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders. But I would say that there's maybe like a 20% chance of that, because it's already broken the bullish level. It's looking impulsive. So I look for our next target of $2.05. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitfinex. There's no strings attached. This is one of the top exchanges. Once you've signed up, that's it. Take 30 seconds, send me an email, and I will send you the link to my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite coins, including SPX. My trade setups, we're in trades for Ethereum and Giga, which are both in profit. What I'm invested in when I'm taking my profits, and we have open chat rooms that have almost 3,000 members talking all things crypto. Yours free with a 30-second sign up to Bitfinex. That's it, no strings attached. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.